Hi friends, my name is Bharath Chandra. Today's video is successful investors lost crores due to crash in markets. Due to the negative movement in markets since October 2024, most investors have suffered losses in their portfolio value. Even wealthy individual investors experienced significant erosion in portfolio value during the January to March quarter, with declines ranging from 5 to 35% compared to the December quarter. Money Control has compiled the summary of performance of India's largest and wealthiest individual investors. Only some investors managed to have positive returns in January to March 2025 quarter compared to the portfolio value at the end of December 2024. Radhakishan Damani portfolio value as on 31st December 2024, it was 1,63,480 crores. Portfolio value on 31st March 2025, 1,85,130 crores, 13.2% increase. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala 68,180 crores to 57,620 crores, 15.5% down. Mukul Agrawal 7,240 crores to 6,750 crores, 6.8% down. Akash Bansali 7,030 crores to 6,220 crores, 11.5% down. Madhusudan Kela 2,310 crores to 2,810 crores, 21.6% rise. Nemish Shah 2,190 crores to 2,830 crores, 29.2% up. Ashish Dhawan 3,310 crores to 3,030 crores, 8.5% down. Ashish Kacholia 3,140 crores to 2,480 crores, 21% down. Sunil Singhania 2,980 crores to 2,510 crores, 15.8% down. Anil Kumar Goel 2,100 crores to 1,930 crores, 8.1% down. Vijay Kedia 1,900 crores to 1,380 crores, 27.4% down. Ajay Upadhyaya 1,160 crores to 950 crores, 18.1% down. Most other portfolios have fallen around 10 to 20% in March 2025 compared to December 2025. Only few managed to see appreciation in their portfolio in spite of market being unfavorable. So just like your portfolio value, even the large investors have suffered erosion in value. As long as you are confident of your investment approach, just stay invested for long term. Many of these wealthy individual investors have been holding their stocks for decades and hence earned great returns. The big returns from stock markets are not earned overnight. Topic number 2. Due to the escalation of the war situation with Pakistan last night, Nifty 50 index fell by 1.1% today. The mid cap index was flat and small cap index was down 0.6%. The overall market cap of Indian stock markets fell by more than 4 lakh crores today. In fact, the stock markets being down only 1% shows the strength, since they could have fallen much more considering the current situation. However, we will need to still see how India responds to the drone attacks made by Pakistan yesterday night. The situation can move either way depending on the next action by each country. In fact, many investors may be surprised on why the market reaction has been minimal. Many of our channel members have mentioned that they will be happy if markets fall further, since they can invest for long term. However, the investors who will not be happy are the people who do not have money to invest now. The Defense Minister and Home Minister have been having multiple meetings with the Chief of Defense Staff and other authorities to get updates on the situation as well as plan the next course of action. The IPL has been suspended for 1 week due to the escalating tensions between India and Pakistan. BCCI said that the board would take a decision of the future of IPL 2025 after consulting the central government. Topic number 3. Equity mutual funds fell to a 12-month low of 24,269 crore in April 2025, marking the 4th consecutive month of decline. However, net inflows into open-ended equity mutual funds have stayed in the positive zone for the 50th month in a row. The overall net assets under management of the Indian mutual fund industry rose to 69.99 lakh crores in April 2025 against 65.74 lakh crores in March 2025. Indian mutual fund industry saw record SIP contributions in April 2025 with total inflows reaching 26,632 crores, the highest ever for a single month. It was 25,926 crore in March 2025. If you like this video, please click the like button and mention in the comment section what is your monthly investment in stocks or mutual funds. Type the amount in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.